Hello, this is Michael with Kiefler Lightning Protection here with a video of lightning protection on a metal roof on a log home. Here you can see the lightning conductor coursed along the ridge line, going down the roof to a lower roof area, a T connection going to the lower roof area. Here's the lightning rod on the wood stovepipe flue, and you can see the lightning rod on the little plumbing vent there. And on this particular job, we're going to transition from aluminum to copper when we come over the side of the building, so it will blend in to the log building nicely with copper. Here you can see how neat of a job these guys did putting this together. Very inconspicuous. You want to use aluminum equipment on aluminum or metal roofing. Here you can see the bimetallic transition to copper. Copper tucked underneath the drip edge there. Really nicely, you can't hardly even notice it. And then sweeping across the fascia. Sweeping underneath the soffit. Nice neat transition and coming down the logs in the corner. Bimetallic transition, aluminum to copper. Copper tucked underneath the drip edge, sweeping across the fascia. When the copper patinas along with this building, you'll hardly even notice it. You can't even hardly see it now, tucked in the corner of the logs there. Coming across the screen there to hold the rock work. Once it's concreted on, the conductor will be behind the rock work. Very clean installation. The guys did a great job on this house here. Just remember, you do not want to put copper on metal roofing. You'll void the roof warranty. It could cause a reaction. Thanks for watching.